packed up, ready to go. The weather has changed a bit this morning. It's a bit more rainy, a bit more overcast. You see on the mountains there. Yeah, ready to go. We're going to head to Grizedale for a few hours. We're going a 3-mile hike that we went on before. Hopefully Hawk up here right and nice and tired, and then we get some ice cream and then head home. So I think we'll probably get home about 6 o'clock this evening, I reckon. So yeah, so we'll see you at Grizedale. There, we're at Grizedale now. Just doing the red route, which is 3 miles, and pretty high up already. You can see. I think it goes to about 1,200 feet. So.
It's 514.
Oh really? Oh wow, we're like halfway there.
Well, no.
Or is it above ground level?
I think so.
That sucks. Oh well. See you in a bit. Okay, so we just stopped so the dogs can get a drink. We're about a mile in out of 3. Marie's just sorting the bottles out. So this is sort of flat and level, this bit, and I completely forgot about this bit. You just see beyond the trees there, it looks like a wall. It's not a wall, as you can see very well. That is really steep. I don't know what degree that is, but it's really steep. And we're going up there in a minute, so hopefully we'll see it at the top. Well guys, we made it to the top. Absolutely love it up here. Such an amazing view. Look at all that. And it's completely 360 degrees around. Look at that. Amazing. Can't remember what this peak's called, but maybe it says on here. But this is the highest point marker. Nope, didn't say. Oh well. Yeah, absolutely love it up here. It's fantastic. Been up here a couple of times now. How high we are. I think we're about 1,100 feet above sea level. I don't know what that is above the visitor centre, but pretty cool. Just got some really cool drone footage of Marie, so that'll be on her intro soon, so go check that out. Might even add it in after this clip just to show you what I got. Well happy with that. God, I've got some rain bands just over there. Don't really want to be here when that gets here. Right, so that's going to draw time on our Lake District adventure for this week. I'm going to make this my outro because you don't really want to see us going all the way down the hill because we're going to be a sweaty mess. But if anything interesting does happen or we see anything, I will include it. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye for now. Just add a bit to the outro so the boys and Marie can say bye. See you later guys, thanks for joining us. Why, aye man, we made it to the top, like, I'm telling you, it's fucking amazing up here. I run up, I run down, Tom got me some footage up here, it was bloody amazing. What, am I going?